To create a folder on your home screen. 1. Press and hold on the desired icon. 2. Drag the icon over another app icon. 3. Release the icon. A folder will be created automatically. Now tap on the folder, then tap on the folder name at the top. You can rename the folder to a specific category. To remove an app from a folder. 1. Open the folder. 2. Tap and hold on the app icon you want to remove. 3. Drag the icon to the left or right, out of the folder. 4. Release the icon. The app will be removed from the folder. To move a folder or app to a different page on the home screen. 1. Press and hold the app or folder. 2. Drag it to the edge of the screen. 3. Wait for the page to change. You'll see the next page appear. 4. Release the app or folder when you reached. To resize or edit a folder on the home screen. 1. Long press on a folder. 2. Tap on or enlarge resize. Option may vary depending on device. To discard or move an app from the folder. Long press on the folder. Tap on remove or discard. Option may vary depending on device.